In this video, I am going to guide you on how to delete your 13 cabs account using the app. Deleting your account can help protect your personal data and remove saved payment methods. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 cabs app on your mobile device. 2. Make sure you are logged into your account. 3. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. 4. Select the help or support option from the menu. 5. Choose contact us or send a request option. 6. Write a message requesting account deletion and include your account details. 7. Submit the request and wait for confirmation from 13 cabs support. 8. Once your request is processed, your account will be deleted. This ensures your personal data is removed securely from the app. Thank you for watching and stay connected for more useful guides.